In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut or clip an image in Inkscape. If you've ever wanted to crop an image into a custom shape, like a circle, rectangle, or even a custom-drawn path, Inkscape makes this really easy using something called clipping. This is perfect for logos, thumbnails, graphics, or any design where you only want part of an image to be visible. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so even if you're completely new to Inkscape, you can follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple design tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it and start cutting images in Inkscape. First, we need to import the image that we want to cut. Open Inkscape and go to the top menu and click File, then choose Import. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+I on your keyboard, which is much faster once you get used to it. After clicking Import, locate the image on your computer and open it. The image will now appear on your canvas inside Inkscape. You can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere you like on the page. If the image is too large or too small, just use the corner handles to scale it to the size you want. Once your image is placed on the canvas, the next step is to create the shape that will be used to cut or clip the image. Now we need to create the shape that will define the visible area of the image. In Inkscape, you can use several tools for this. For simple cuts, you can use the rectangle tool by pressing R or the ellipse tool by pressing E to create a circle or oval. If you want a more custom shape, you can use the Bezier tool by pressing B and draw your own path. Draw the shape directly on top of the image where you want the cut to happen. The important thing to understand here is that this shape will act like a window. Only the part of the image inside the shape will remain visible after we apply the clip. Once your shape is positioned correctly on top of the image, it's time to apply the clipping effect. Select the Select and Transform Objects tool, which you can activate by pressing S or F1. First, click the shape you just created. Then hold the Shift key and click the image underneath it, so that both the shape and the image are selected at the same time. This step is very important because Inkscape needs both objects selected to perform the clip. Now go to the top menu, click Object, then Clip, and choose Set Clip. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+M. As soon as you do this, the image will instantly be cut to the shape you created. You'll now notice that only the area where the shape overlapped the image is visible. Everything outside that shape is hidden. This is how clipping works in Inkscape. It doesn't actually delete the image, it simply hides everything outside the clipping shape. Another important tip is layer order. The shape you use for clipping should always be the topmost object above the image when you select them. If the clip ever doesn't work correctly, this is usually the reason. Also, if you created a custom shape using the Bezier tool, make sure the path is completely closed before clipping. Otherwise, the clipping operation may not behave as expected. Finally, let's talk about how to undo or release a clip in case you want the full image back. Simply click on the clipped image to select it. Then go to Object, choose Clip, and click Release. You can also use the shortcut Alt+M to release the clip quickly. Once you do this, the original image will appear again along with the shape that was used to clip it. And that's how easy it is to cut or clip images in Inkscape. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.